I recently came across a YouTube channel called Animal Bunch. The channel, which has only been active for a month, has only released 64 videos, but in that short time it has attracted over 167 million views and 80,000 subscribers. These statistics are truly amazing, especially when you consider that all the content on this channel, from images to animations, is 100% generated by AI. I even checked their statistics on Social Blade. In the last 14 days alone, they have received over 116 million views and have earned an income of around $20,000. All the content on this channel is generated entirely by AI. This means that they have been able to earn millions of views and huge income just by using AI tools wisely. Now in this complete course, I am going to teach you all about this path step by step, from scratch to creating fast-growing short videos and using AI tools professionally to save time and achieve better results. Okay guys, I'll tell you a secret at the end of the video that will make your videos more viewed. So stay tuned until the end of the video, like, subscribe, then let's go. Now we come to one of the most important parts, using free AI tools. To get started, just log into the EaseMade AI site and go to the free AI chat section. In this section you can use powerful models, each of which has very high costs on their main site, but here they are available to you completely free of charge. What you need to do is very simple. Copy the prompt that I have placed on the Telegram channel. Enter the chat section and paste the prompt into one of these models. For greater clarity, take a screenshot of the channel page and upload it. Just wait a few moments and you will see that the AI model prepares all the prompts you want. Finally, just copy all the prompts together and save them in a WordPad file. Simply put, you will have a complete and professional archive of prompts that you can use at any time to produce AI content. Now go to EaseMade AI and go to Nano AI. I've included the link in the video description. You can think of Nano AI as a powerful alternative to Photoshop, a tool with amazing features that is also very easy to use. You might be asking, there are so many image AIs out there, why Nano? The answer is simple. Unlike many tools that require a complicated process or require lengthy editing in Photoshop, Nano does everything quickly, simply, and accurately. In fact, you can import any photo, explain any changes you want with a prompt, and the tool will instantly prepare the final result. This is a feature that many other tools still don't offer properly. Think about it. You just enter the text you want, and Nano AI will deliver you a realistic, high-quality, and impressive image in a fraction of a second. With Nano AI, you can completely free. No payment of even $1. Easy to use, just enter a few words and receive the finished image in seconds. High quality, images are created with precise and professional details. High speed, the final result is ready in just a few seconds. Suitable for everyone. Whether you want to create content for social networks, creative projects, or even personal designs. Now it's time to enter the text-to-image section. This is exactly where the magic happens. Just enter the prompts we prepared in advance one by one into this section. The important thing is to make sure you have chosen the Nano model, because this model really works with an accuracy and quality that is hard to believe. I tested all the prompts myself one by one and the result was truly amazing. The final images are not only of very high quality, but their details are also incredibly precise and professional. When I saw the outputs, it was exactly what successful YouTube channels use to get millions of views. In fact, the only difference between you and those big channels is that they started the same process earlier. Think about it. By just entering a simple text, you get images that if you show them to someone, they won't believe they were created by artificial intelligence. Everything looks so natural, eye-catching, and precise. The experience is exactly like a professional Photoshopper working on a photo for hours, but here it only takes a few seconds. And this simplicity and speed make Nano AI one of the most powerful tools for content creation, even competing with the biggest channels. When I saw these results, the only word that came to mind was amazing, fantastic, awesome. Now let's go one step further. Go back to EaseMade AI, and this time go to the image to video section. This is where all the images created by Nano AI will be transformed into a professional and complete video. What you need to do is very simple. Upload all the photos you have previously created with the prompts into this section one by one. This is what I did myself. I imported all the ready-made images one by one, and let the AI combine them together. The result? An incredibly smooth video with stunning quality. The interesting thing is that the final output not only looks professional, but also feels like it was created by a whole team of designers and editors. But in reality, all this was done with just a few simple clicks and in a matter of minutes. The video quality is so high that it can easily compete with the content of successful YouTube channels. The images are connected perfectly smoothly and the movements are formed in a natural and eye-catching way. When I saw the final result, I was convinced that this method can turn anyone from zero into a professional content producer. It was truly an experience that can only be described in words. Awesome, stunning, professional. Now we come to the final step, where we put all the images and videos we have created so far with AI tools together to get a professional and complete effect. First, go into a video editing program. As I said before, I use CapCut most of the time because it is both free and has great features for beginners and even professionals. Import all the videos you created with the help of EaseMate AI and Nano Banana AI one by one. Now arrange them in order on the timeline. If you like, you can shorten some parts, speed up or slow down some parts to make the video more in sync with the music. Next, it is time to choose a background song. Music really makes a big part of the appeal of the video. You can choose an energetic song for entertaining videos or a soft, cinematic music for educational and narrative videos. I always choose a song that matches the mood and atmosphere of the images to make the video more natural and impactful. To make your video look more professional, I suggest doing a few more things. Use animation effects to move between scenes. Transitions, add interesting texts or subtitles to emphasize important points. Use color filters or color correction to make your images look more vivid and realistic. And if you want, you can even add your own voice as a narrator to help your audience connect with you more. This is where your creativity is the ultimate decider. You can keep the video simple and quick, or you can add more details to create a super professional effect. I did a quick and simple edit to make sure the video wasn't too long. Just a few effects, a decent song, and a few color adjustments. And believe me, even this simple edit gave a result that could easily compete with expensive videos. And now, it's time to see the result. This is the video that my team and I created in less than 10 minutes using only free AI tools. Without spending a single dollar, we were able to create a video that was both high quality, engaging, and ready to be published on YouTube. If you've been with me this far, I'm sure you've come to believe that you don't need expensive software or complicated software to produce professional content. Just combine your creativity with free AI tools. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Because in the next episodes, I want to introduce you to much more interesting techniques and advanced tools that can grow your channel many times faster. And remember, this is just the beginning. Until the next video,